Welcome back, students. I am Professor Pawar SV from Sir Sundrabai Manekshaw Polytechnic, Ahmednagar. In the last session, we have learned the conjunctions, one of the parts of speech in English language. Today, we are going to solve the examples. I have taken already 10 examples here, and next 10 examples will be taken in the after that. So we can solve it and to use in those sentences correct conjunctions. In the first sentence, there is the executive manager dash the supervisor gathered to discuss the recent issues of the company. The executive manager dash the supervisor gathered to discuss the recent issues of the company. Use conjunctions as per the context of the sentence. Let's see, we can make two sentences here. The executive manager gathered to discuss the recent issues of the company. In the first sentence, the supervisor आपण थोडं काढून टाकू कारण हे दोन्ही पण नाउन आहेत पहा. The executive manager and the supervisor हे दोन्ही नाउन आहेत, बरोबर आहे. The executive manager gathered to discuss the recent issues of the company. एक सेंटेन्स तयार झालं. Let's see the executive manager आपण काढून टाकू. The supervisor gathered to discuss the recent issues of the company. The supervisor gathered to discuss the recent issues of the company. We can make two sentences of the given sentence or from the given sentence. So that time we can use and as a conjunction. And is a correct conjunction here. Why? Because two nouns are here and two nouns connected with the help of and. And is a correct conjunction here. The executive manager and the supervisor gathered to discuss the recent issues of the company. Let's see the second example. He is poor, dash, he is an honest person. Let's see, he is poor in the first sentence. He is an honest person. Here is showing contrast situation. He is poor, खूप गरीब आहे, honesty, परंतु हुशार आहे म्हणून. But if the contrast situation is given in the sentence, that time but is used as a correct conjunction. But he is poor, but he is an honest person. He is poor, but he is an honest person. Let's see. We turn the sentence into if the dash is in the starting. For example, dash he is poor, comma instead of but we can use comma. He is an honest person. Here we can use though as a preposition. Why? Because आपण यूज दोचा नियमच तो आहे की काय दिलेल्या वाक्यातील बट काढून कॉमा द्यायचा, दो त्या वाक्याच्या सुरुवातीला यूज करायचं. दो त्या वाक्याच्या सुरुवातीला यूज करायचं म्हणजे होल ग्रामर इन्व्हॉल्वड इन द कंजक्शन्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सोची पण आपण ग्रामर मध्ये जर गेलो तर रूल्स आहेत, बरोबर आहे. नायदर नॉटचे पण रूल्स आहेत. वाक्यातील पहिला नॉट काढून नायदर वापरणे, दुसरा नॉट काढून नॉर वापरणे, किंवा नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सोचे पण रूल्स आहेत. पहा, जर सहाय्यकारी क्रियापद जर वाक्यात असेल, सहाय्यकारी क्रियापद सेम जर वाक्यामध्ये असेल तर पहिल्या वाक्यातील सहाय्यकारी क्रियापद नंतर नॉट ओनली वापरायचं आणि दुसऱ्या वाक्याच्या सुरुवातीला बट ऑल्सो वापरायचं. समजतंय? किंवा वाक्य जोडताना बट ऑल्सो वापरायचं. तसंच नो सुनर दॅनचं पण आहे पहा, तसंच हार्डली व्हेनचं आहे पहा, तसंच सिन्सिअरली व्हेनचं आहे पहा. म्हणजे सर्व तुमचं जे ग्रामरचे रूल्स आहेत तिथे इन्व्हॉल्वड ऑर कंजक्शन्स म्हणून त्यांचा वापर केला जातो पहा. नेक्स्ट पहा, समजलंय ही इज पुअर बट ही इज अन ऑनेस्ट पर्सन. बटच काहीच केलं कारण का he is poor. Here is given one situation and another situation. Both of the situations are looking contrast with each other. He is poor and he is an honest person. Next sentence, the boss had left the office. The boss had left the office is a main clause. Pada is a main clause. And this is subordinate clause. I could meet him. मी भेटण्या अगोदर, मी बॉस यांना भेटण्या अगोदर द बॉस हॅड लेफ्ट द ऑफिस, त्यांनी ऑफिस सोडलेलं होतं किंवा ते ऑफिस मधून गेलेले होते. म्हणजे इथं काही बिफोर इज करेक्ट कंजक्शन. सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शन्स आपल्याला यूज करावं लागेल. कोणतं? बिफोर. कारण का? कारण देर इज वन मेन क्लॉज अँड another is subordinate clause. So we can use before as a correct preposition here. Let's see third. Dash dash I have car, comma I cannot drive it. Here is also look. We can look here. Two situations are showing here. One I have a car. माझ्याकडे कार आहे. दुसऱ्या याच्यामध्ये काय आहे? I cannot drive it. म्हणजे कंट्रास्ट दाखवलेला आहे परत पहा. कंट्रास्ट दाखवलेला आहे. फक्त आता इथं कॉमा जागी जर इथं वाक्याच्या सुरुवातीला डॅश नसतात, इथं कॉमा जागी डॅश असतात, तर इथं आपण बट यूज केला असतं. परंतु नियमच काय आहे? यूज दोचा नियम काय आहे की बट काढून कॉमा असतो. म्हणजे इथं दो आहे बघा. इथं दो काही असून सुद्धा दोचा अर्थच काय होतो? असून सुद्धा. दो आय हॅव अ कार आय कॅनॉट ड्राईव्ह इट. दो आय हॅव अ कार आय कॅनॉट ड्राईव्ह इट. Let's see the third example. She will wait dash dash you arrive. She will wait dash dash you arrive. तू येईपर्यंत म्हणजे इथे till किंवा until you arrive. तू येईपर्यंत ती वाट पाहिल. She will wait until you arrive. We can use here until as a subordinating conjunctions. Next sentence. Dash dash the workers dash dash fuels were fired. Here is correlative conjunction used both and. Why correlative conjunctions? Here is two dash dash or correlative of conjunctions are used. Why? Because we can make two sentences from the given sentence. First, the workers fuels काढून टाकायचं थोडा वेळ. The workers was fired. The workers अनेक वचन were fired. किंवा P1s were fired. We can make two sentences from the given sentence. So we can use correlative conjunctions. There are two main clauses in the given sentence. Next sentence. Dash dash men dash dash women were elected in the committee. Were elected in the committee. आता कोणतं येईल रे या ठिकाणी? नाहीतर नॉर येईल का? नाही ना. इलेक्टेड आलं इथं. बरोबर आहे. इलेक्टेड आलं म्हणजे एक तर त्या कमिटीमध्ये माणसं असतील किंवा स्त्रिया पण असतील, पुरुष पण असतील आणि स्त्रिया पण असतील. म्हणजे इथं या ठिकाणी नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो येईल पहा. नॉट ओनली मेन बट ऑल्सो वुमेन आर इलेक्टेड. वुमेन वेर इलेक्टेड इन द कमिटी. नॉट ओनली मेन but also women were elected in the committee. Women were elected in the committee. Let's see the next example. We are so busy that we do not have time to talk with others. We are so busy. We are so busy. Here that is correct conjunction. We are so busy that. Why that? Because here is so. So that's an imagined one. We are so busy that we do not have time to talk with others. That connects to sentences. We are busy, first sentence, and we do not have time to talk to others. Let's see the next example. I have not contacted them. That is, they scolded me. Here is one subordinate clause and one main clause. I have not contacted them. I have not contacted them main clause. They scolded me. कधीपासून? त्यांना राग आला होता तेव्हापासून मी त्यांच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये नाहीये. Since is a correct conjunction used here. I have not contacted them since they scolded me. I have not contacted them since they scolded me. त्यांना राग आला होता तेव्हापासून मी त्यांच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये नाहीये. Next example. They were arrested. That is, they had stolen the gold. And here is one incident given and also its result also given. Jewelis one incident is given and after that its result also given. That time we can use because as a conjunction. They were arrested. Why they were arrested? Because they had stolen the gold. They had stolen the gold. त्यांनी गोल्डची चोरी केली होती म्हणून त्यांना अरेस्ट केलं गेलं. Because. Let's see the next 10 sentences. Let's see number 11 sentence. That he is not eligible, comma, he got the post. That he is not eligible, he got the post. Here is contrast is showing. So though is a correct preposition. Though is a correct conjunction. We can use though as a conjunction here. Why? Because he is not eligible. तो eligible नव्हता. He got the post. तरी सुद्धा त्याला ती पोस्ट मिळाली. म्हणजे though is a correct conjunction here. Though is a correct conjunction. Though he is not eligible, he got the post. Next sentence, she is intelligent, that is she is lazy. She is intelligent, that is she is lazy. Here is also contrast looking. Why? She is intelligent, ती हुशार आहे, that is she is lazy, परंतु आळशी आहे. But is a correct conjunction here. We can use but as a correct conjunction here. She is intelligent but she is lazy. She is intelligent but she is lazy. In the next sentence, our team can go to Delhi, that is Nainital. Here is can. Can is used. So here is a or. Why? Our team can go to Delly. एक तर दिल्लीला जाऊ शकते किंवा नैनितालला जाऊ शकते. Or is a correct conjunction. Or is a correct sentence conjunction here. In the first sentence, though is correct. In the second sentence, but. And in the third sentence, or. Let's see the third one. Third one also. The sun is hot. That is here is cool. Here and but. Both of the sentences are correct. The sun is hot and air is cool. Is grammatically correct sentence. The sun is hot but air is cool. It is also grammatically correct sentence. So you can use and or but as a conjunction. The sun is hot and air is cool. The sun is hot but air is cool. Both of the sentences, both of the conjunctions used here are correct. Let's see the next sentence. That dash you work hard, you will get an opportunity. You work hard. Which conjunction here we can use? Which conjunction we can use here? If you work hard, जर तू hard work केलं, you will get an opportunity. तर तुला संधी मिळेल. If you work hard, if is a correct conjunction here. If you work hard, you will get an opportunity. Number 11 sentence, though he is not eligible, he got the post. Why though is correct? Because here is showing in this sentence contrast is given. Not eligible but he got the post. So and that dash is the initial of the sentence. We can use though as a preposition. If the that dash here we can use but as a preposition. But here is a comma used. So though he is not eligible, he got the post. In the 12th sentence, she is intelligent, that dash she is lazy. Here is but is a correct conjunction. In the next sentence, our team can go to Delhi, that dash Nainital, or is a correct conjunction. In the next sentence, the sun is hot and or but. Both of the conjunctions used here are correct. Air is a cool, and in the 15th number sentence, if you work hard, you will get an opportunity. You will get an opportunity. Let's see the number 16 sentence. Let's see the 16th number sentence. We love dash honor him. We can make from the given sentence two sentences. आपण दिलेल्या वाक्यावरून दोन सेंटेन्सेस तयार करू शकतो. म्हणजे दोन मेन क्लॉजेस, म्हणजे या ठिकाणी सुद्धा and is a correct conjunction. We love him एक सेंटेन्स तयार झालं. We honor him दुसरं सेंटेन्स तयार झालं. म्हणजे दोन सेंटेन्सेस आपण तयार करू शकतो. म्हणजे दोन मेन क्लॉजेस आहेत म्हणून ते आपण and या कंजंक्शनने जोडलेले आहेत. त्यानंतर you were not in office, that is I called you. You were not in office, that is I called you. Here मी जेव्हा कॉल केला तुला त्यावेळेस यू वेर नॉट इन द ऑफिस, म्हणजे व्हेन आय कॉल यू, जेव्हा मी तुला कॉल केला त्यावेळेस यू आर नॉट इन द ऑफिस. व्हेन इज अ करेक्ट कंजंक्शन. व्हेन इज अ करेक्ट कंजंक्शन. हियर इज वन डिपेंडंट क्लॉज अँड अनदर इज इंडिपेंडंट क्लॉज. सो व्हेन subordinating conjunctions is used here. In the next sentence, they tried that is they did not succeed. Here is given some consequences, they tried, that is they did not succeed. Here is given contrast in the sentence, they tried, त्यांनी प्रयत्न केला but they did not succeed. कंट्रास्ट दिल्यामुळे आपण इथं कोणता कंजक्शन यूज करू शकतो, but they did not succeed. ते त्यांना यश आलं नाही, त्यांनी प्रयत्न केले परंतु त्यांना यश आलं नाही. नंबर 19 सेंटेन्स, हाऊ कॅन यू सर्वाइव्ह दॅट डॅश यू हॅव नो मनी. जर तुमच्याकडे पैसे नसतील तर तुम्ही कसे सर्वाइव्ह व्हाल. जर म्हणजे इफ इज अ करेक्ट कंजक्शन हियर. हाऊ कॅन यू सर्वाइव्ह इफ यू हॅव नो मनी. जर तुमच्याकडे पैसे नसतील तर तुम्ही कसे जगाल, इफ यू हॅव नो मनी. अँड लास्ट सेंटेन्स, he said sorry that he had slapped her. Here is one incident is given and after that its result also given, so because is a correct conjunction here. He said sorry, तो सॉरी म्हटलाय का, तर त्यानं कानाखाली मारली होती, तिच्या कानाखाली मारली होती म्हणून. he had slapped her, so because is here correct conjunction. Because is correct conjunction. We have seen 20 sentences and also solve them with correct conjunctions. Conjunctions is your third practical in your manual. You can write those 20 sentences for the complete your third practical in your manual, because we solve those sentences in this lecture. I hope you will understand the topic conjunctions in English grammar. Thank you very much.